First up at 5 o'clock, the nation waits anxiously for the first COVID-19 vaccine to be approved. An FDA advisory panel is meeting now to review it for emergency use.
The focus then shifts to the medical workers who will administer that vaccine. But the big question right now, when will doses arrive here in our state? Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Mike Savino begins our coverage right now. He is live in Hartford with more details tonight. Mike.
Well, Mark and Aaron, those first doses could come out within 24 hours of approval. The CDC saying that's how quickly they can get them out. So here at Hartford Hospital and other hospitals around the state, they say they are already ready to receive those either Friday or this weekend. That means that the first round of doses could start going to medical workers as early as next week.
We have teams ready, even if it comes over the weekend.
Medical workers are sprinting to action, ready to receive the vaccine and give it to the public. Hartford Healthcare says they've been ready, getting in position to receive the vaccine after it's approved.
The CDC has told us that they will ship the vaccine within 24 hours of approval for emergency use authorizations.
Other hospitals are in the same position. Trinity Health of New England saying in a statement, "We have made all the necessary preparations to begin administering the vaccine, and we will do so as soon as we receive the required approvals of the vaccine, which could be as early as the end of this week." But the rush is on to get the vaccine out to Americans, starting with those who will give the vaccine, then frontline workers and other vulnerable groups. Just Wednesday, more than 3,000 people died from COVID-19. Pharmacies say they're also ready to give out the vaccine.
We must make sure that we utilize all of our healthcare professionals.
A spokeswoman for Walgreens saying today, Walgreens has the pharmacist expertise, data and reporting infrastructure, cold storage capacity, and national footprint required to manage the complexities of administering a COVID-19 vaccine. CVS, meanwhile, announced earlier this fall that it will hire another 15,000 workers nationwide, the majority of them pharmacy technicians. UConn runs a 21.5-hour class certifying pharmacists to give vaccines. School of Pharmacy Dean Philip Peritko says for many people, the pharmacy will be the easiest place to get a vaccine.
Pharmacists are critical in the role that they play in public health and in immunizations and prevention of disease.
Now, we also reached out to CVS today for a comment on their preparations, but they did not respond. Meanwhile, at the UConn School of Pharmacy, the students are also stepping up to help with the distribution of the vaccine. I'll tell you how coming up on Eyewitness News at 6. For now, live from Hartford, Mike Savino, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.
Mike, thank you very much.